All right, so at the 7th of May 2026, yeah? Take one gold sell. All right. Before me give a breakdown on the sell, I want to show you how you can analyze the market perfectly and still not make no money. You know, you can do perfect analysis, but your execution and, your self-sabotaging practices make you not make no money at all in a trading. You understand? And that has been my struggle over the years. Where me can analyze the market very good, but I normally sabotage myself, you see? So that's why I try this journal thing, because I don't normally journal. Now that's why I try this journal thing, in order for me can totally observe my shortcomings, is it? Alright, watch now. From the second from the second May, I do a video. See? I do the video. If I check the video on the second of May, price of the right so. Them candle never the right so none at all on the daily. See? Based on the analysis, it's the price it pushed to the upside. See? And then with my extension all the way up 54 something. But naturally, it have a wave up and down, up and down, up and down. See? Alright, cool. So as you see, price further come back in a demand and then push to the upside as per analysis. See me? During that time, the account did the 2% in a profit. So even though my account did the 2% in a profit at the time I do the analysis, and all of this play out and push to the upside, I'm actually down 1% after 2%. So me dealing, so show you say self-sabotage real. Alright, so I'm gonna show you all that self-sabotage now for sure go on this. Now, when this goes a boom bang now, alright, first thing up on the power. So in the move. So the first move, see, you'd have way too much by order. Because a 4 by order, I did have 1, 2, 3, and 4. And how I take this by order now? We take this by order when it come close above this low. See? Close above this low, which is swing low. For sure, you say a sign for go up, enter buy this up, with me stop come this. As you can see, it swing carry me up nice in a profit. Nice in a profit. Good. Alright, anyway. The scaling order now supposed to be when it come break this high. But this miss me still. See? So when it I take out the eye and I push back pan the side and now in order to get the crown. I saw me enter it now with the stop below right as well. See? Alright, so I'm getting pan the 2 order. When this goes a boom bang now, I'm gonna break the eye. I carry up my stop underneath them lower right as well. No other order shouldn't get executed more than just them 2 orders there. The one to come break above this, and then this a scale, which is a 2 order. And then me stop with a come back here. So yes, mother did lose. So this a one entry now. Me I say boy, because now me I risk only 0.4%. Me I add back the 0.6% that me do, So I move up and stop them underneath them section I'm gonna add back the 0.6%. So I can have the 1% risk on the board. Saying which are we not supposed to do. You understand? Carry up my risk 0.4%, everything good. So the market push down now that it come stop me out I only lose 0.4%. Saying? And that's how it's supposed to go. Anyway, when the market goes a boom now and push and come reject off this demand again, I'm gonna enter buy again. The buyer shouldn't enter either. This buyer shouldn't enter. Why this buyer shouldn't enter now? Because it don't come violate them ends here already. See? Because if the market truly that push to the upside, them ends here won't come get violated, especially that ends here won't come get violated. And I get violated, so me and myself know based on my experience should know say it will push further down. But at this point now, because we did lose 1.3%, me probably want to rush to go back in that trade because I want to recover that 1.3% there. That go on with my right side. See? And then now, anyway, when the market goes so boom now and push come grab liquidity off of this low. So it actually come further in the demand on the daily. I enter one buy. Very good buy. Excellent buy. Market push up carry me nice, 2.5% and all them type of thing. Does it? Now when the daily close now, these are the self-sabotage now. When the daily close, all right, I'm self-sabotage over here sir, by entering them other two trader. I enter back this trade again, self-sabotage. Because I say, I make back the money. Must that me I say. And must that me I say, you know that me I say, I make back the money when I lose. That me I say. Anyway, we enter the buy here so back again now. See? When the market push up to them ends here so. When the market push up now and the daily close, me convince myself say it will push to the downside, which is very stupid. Not say it's stupid. It really going to push to the downside for sure. But if it push to the downside, that means say it have to push up back in this daily, in this supplier right and then come take out it low. And then where did say yes. Push to the downside. So what this is supposed to do now, but when this come and turn and come break structure upon this higher, and then it pull back, this is supposed to be the scaling trade. Rather than come out of this trader now, because never did come out of this trader. All this trader did come out way up on them ends there. So never did come out of this. So this one I go come out of, see, and then I go enter and sell. Because I never wait for it push up on the supply if it push down. Me, catch foam there now and things say, all right, say, it now must come up on the supply and push down, which are that what me supposed to do, because that was my analysis. And it push up and take me out. When it take me out now, I get some senses in my head and say, no, man, where you do? Remember, I say, up here going now. So I enter the buy here, so now, I stop the below here, so I'm going to make 2% off of it right there, so. Why am I come out right there, so? Because extension level, from this here, so, to this here, so. See? It either will go to the 127 or the 382. But as I can see, it actually find its way all the way up into the 618. See me? Sometimes it go up to the 618, but not all the time. It's always best to take the 27 or the 382. Because remember, say, this a push up would have be the breaker structure push up in it. And now it come break structure in it when it come take out this eye. So now what me I do there now, I sell the retest. To continue to push on the upside, so the retest me I try to get them now. See? Anyway, back to the story so. Boom, I get the 2% so. Me getting the 2% right so now. Market I'm still not that trader and scale in that trader. If I did still not this, scale in this, I would hit the 10% target. I would have passed first phase of the FTMO challenge right there so. That would have go on. See? So it look like say because me bex me hit 10% right so now. Me gonna look on the 50 minutes candle now gonna take sell. Because me I say it fill the 0.2, 0.382 extension. So me look for when it pull up in the supply on the 15 minutes into which way me not take trade on 15 minutes. The hourly. See determine how me take the trade. See? Me gonna take sell. It's a bad sell because there is no low we get take out. Close back underneath no eye, nothing at all. But yet, I can't take sell. But I know say I vex. Because show me no maximize panda buy, so I feel like I want to make it up back on the sell. I'm going to end up to lose a 1% now. So I deal it. So self-sabotage, I want a real thing. Alright. How I take that sell now? I'm going to the sell analysis here. Alright, so alright, so as I can no. Alright, so you can see, come break the low. It did make lower lows and lower highs, yeah? Now boom and come take out them ends now for break the structure. So when it break the structure then now, it go push up the now. So it push up the now, it push up in the daily. It push up like the daily supply. candle with the swing high, you mark it low. Then this candle now, push out through it, and come back, come close above this low. So it creates a range. So the range is between right as so and the right as so are the range. See? So up in the range it go. Fill in the 618 extension level. Fill in the 618 extension level. So now I look for the retest there now in order to continue upon the upside. Where me think the retest are going to be? These are the daily supply, demand. See? Can go with the swing low, market high. So me I think it will push come down in the daily demand. See? And then continue to push to the upside. See? Yes. So, but how me take the sell now out of the ends there, so. Tell you how me take the sell now. Tell you how me take the sell. So the market goes so boom, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low. This candle now, where as we just see, we go up in the daily supply, seeing? Now come close below a structure high. When it come close below this high now, then well, I kind of go in it before it close because the momentum they look so strong, I push to the downside. See? So I saw me enter it now. So which part me I exit? Can draw your fib from this higher to this lower. Come out of the 0.27, and the 0.27 would be equivalent to the daily demand. So yeah, so this is actually a 1 to 3 trade. So I deal it. So yeah, so hopefully it works out still. Alright, so how me would I scale in this now? This come break this lower now, because it can break the structure low now, you know. So you can wait till it goes a boom, and when it pull back now, probably pull back in the demand, and then when it push, like draw some line. So it break the structure low, when it pull back now, when I demand, pull back comes so. Then come take out back the low here so now. Take in the buy right so with a stop below right so. And you carry down this stop. So that would be the scaling if it works then. But yeah, we'll talk about that if it happens. Yeah, man.